Updating your billing information on YuJa is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is current and your payments are processed without any issues. Step 1. Log in. Access the YuJa platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you use the account associated with your billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your details. Enter your new billing information, including credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Double check for accuracy to avoid any payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new information is recorded in the system. Make sure to review your billing information regularly to keep your account in good standing. Following these steps will help you manage your YuJa account effectively.